Hey, you made it to another Friday. Congratulations. For today's recipe, I really want to show you one of my favorite holiday candies. It's only 3 ingredients, possibly more if you want to get fancy with it, but I never do because I'm lazy. We're going to be making some Butterscotch Crunchies. The very first thing we need is an 11-ounce package of butterscotch chips. I'm going to try and just rip this open. We're going to pour this into a pot. And I'm going to turn the heat on low right now. And now into the butterscotch chips, we're gonna be mixing in a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. This recipe is so easy, but it's so good. It's addictingly good. So there is our 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And now I'm just going to allow this to melt down over low heat, stirring the whole time because you don't want anything to burn. It's gonna start to get super creamy. It smells absolutely amazing. So I will see you once mine is melted. My mixture is now melted down and super smooth. And I didn't mention this earlier, but this isn't necessary. You don't have to do it on the stovetop. You can melt this all down in the microwave. So if you are running out of time and you need to make something super quick, just pop this in the microwave for like maybe a minute, maybe 2, until everything's melted down. You don't have to do it on the stove. So now I'm gonna turn the heat off. We're done. All we needed was to melt it. So now we're gonna add in 4 cups of corn flakes. And that's corn flakes, not bran flakes. I don't wanna be held responsible for your ruined dessert, okay? There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 cups. And we're gonna mix this all up until all of the flakes are very well coated. Now, at this point, I'm gonna roll out a sheet of wax paper right onto my counter. And the mixture is gonna be very loosey-goosey right now, but what we're gonna do is just drop a small pile onto our wax paper. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure that everything's touching each other. And then as this cools, it will solidify into one solid cluster. So you can make your clusters as big or as little as you want. If I'm making these for a party, I like to make them a bit smaller so that I can make more of them. And that way people aren't killing themselves with sugar overload. I seriously love how easy this is. All right, and it's at this point we can start adding any optional ingredients. So if you wanted, you can melt down some chocolate and do a nice chocolate drizzle. What I normally do is I like to add sprinkles. It makes it a little bit more festive, and that way you can kind of cater this to whatever holiday you're making it for. So Halloween, use Halloween sprinkles. Christmas, use Christmas sprinkles. It's for a birthday, use birthday sprinkles, you know? But I'm gonna be using some red sprinkles because it's almost Christmas. And now we just have to let them sit and solidify. So I'm gonna do that and I will see you when these are ready to eat. I'm back and these bad boys are ready to eat and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, okay. I gotta grab a small one though. This stuff is my kryptonite. I've made myself sick some years just eating like crap out of these things. I haven't had them in so long though, oh my god. They're just so sweet, they're so creamy, they're crunchy. They are absolutely amazing. And they're so easy to make, which is dangerous, so I have to limit myself to only making these for the holidays because I would just make myself enormous eating these all of the time. All right guys, and that's it. I don't think there's really much more to say about this. It's super easy, it's super delicious. I highly recommend you guys make it. Make it for a party, don't make it for yourself because these are so addicting. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those, they make me so happy. If you're new here and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to watch this channel grow. It would make me so happy. And I can't do it without your guys' help. I just can't. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that said guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.